Okay. So, this is our scatter plot.
Oh my god.
And if we look at our scatter plot, it's going up by the same amount, but in two different ways. Right?
Yeah.
Now, if I want to cut this, I could easily just go like this. Right? That isn't quite right. That's not quite right. Because I want the same on the top as I have on the bottom. Okay? How about like that? Okay? Now, when I look at that line, how close are those dots to the line?
They're pretty close.
Pretty close. So, the correlation
What's that? 0.7, 0.8.
It's positive.
is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay? Now, the R value
You get like 0.8.
is at 0.8, 0.9, you know, 0.85. That's fine. Okay? So I would take 0.9, I would take 0.8. 0.7 is too far away, and obviously it's not a 1. Right? So, but it is really tight. Okay? So, what we want to do now is find the line. So that is problem number 16, right? You're writing the scatter plot. Then you're supposed to find the correlation. Okay? Now tell me, is it linear? Yes. It's very linear. Okay? Then give me the equation. Okay? So, when we're looking at this, I'm not seeing this point. What I'm seeing is, where is it going to be crossing those lines? Okay? What I can see here is the difference in x is equal to 2, and the difference in y is negative 2. Okay? Because it's going down 2. That means my slope is equal to the difference in y over the difference in x, which is equal to negative 2 over 2, which is equal to negative 1. Okay? So, the equation of the line is, well, grab a point. I have 93, right? And I have 4, okay? Or 1993. Now, if I wanted to, I could have wrote those as 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? That's fine also. Okay? It just depends on what you want to do. Okay? If you want to put it in as 1993, that's fine. So you have 19. So y equals mx plus b. Your y. Now what are these? Are these in thousands or something like that? The unemployment rate, right? So they're saying that the percent. Okay? So it's 1%. Okay? Alright, so the way I would just set this up is just set this up as you got 6, 5, 4. We can change it later. Okay? So I have my y is going to be 3. Or sorry, my y is going to be 4. That's the one we grabbed, right? So my y is 4. My m is negative 1. And my x is 3. So I got negative plus b. So I got negative 3 plus b. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Whoa. And I'm getting 7. Right? So b is equal to 7. So y is equal to negative x plus 7.
don't know why mine's like a little different, but I got y equals negative 1x plus 6.
Oh.
Plus
Oh
7.
no, it's negative.
I got 6.
I know, but I put it right here. So
Oh, because it's not a negative slope, is it?
No, it's positive.
Positive.
What the hell? God damn it.
That's a positive slope. I don't know what I was tripping on. That's actually a slope of 1. That doesn't make sense. Okay, now we're going to subtract 3, right? And then that makes more sense. So it's going to be 4 minus 3. And that would give us 1. So that's better. So this is crossing at 1. And that makes a lot more sense. Okay. So 1 meaning 1% at 1990. Okay.